If you're trying to integrate AWeber with ClickFunnels but keep running into roadblocks, you're not alone. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to do it, what works well, and what doesn't. Plus, I'll share a better alternative at the end if you're looking for a smoother way to build and automate your funnels. First, let's connect AWeber with ClickFunnels. In ClickFunnels, go to Account Settings, then Integrations, and click Add New Integration. Search for AWeber, select it, and click Connect. You'll need to log into AWeber and grant ClickFunnels access. This part is simple. Once connected, ClickFunnels will pull in your AWeber lists automatically. Next, setting up automation. Inside your funnel, open the email integration settings on a form page. Choose AWeber as the integration, then select the action, usually Add to List. Pick the AWeber list you want new leads added to. Click Save, and technically, it's now working. But here's where the issues start. ClickFunnels AWeber integration is basic. It only supports adding leads to lists. No tagging, no automated follow-up segmentation, and no advanced triggers. If you're running anything more complex than a basic email funnel, you'll have to manually configure automation inside AWeber, which can get frustrating. Another limitation, deliverability. ClickFunnels forms sometimes fail to send leads to AWeber due to API errors. This can cause lost leads, which is a major problem if you're running paid ads. To prevent this, always test your funnel by signing up with a test email. Now, if you want to send follow-up emails based on user actions, AWeber alone won't cut it. You'll need a third-party tool like Zapier, which adds extra costs and complexity. So, is it worth integrating AWeber with ClickFunnels? If you're just collecting emails and sending simple broadcasts, it works. But for serious marketing automation, it's clunky. That's why after testing everything myself, I found a much better solution. If you want a smoother funnel building experience with built-in automation, check out the first link in the description. You'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits only available through our link.